Hello everybody, welcome to Crypto Pump. And you know what? Bitcoin went like crazy. You know what? Actually, as I already told you about the levels of the Bitcoin, and I had even told you that Bitcoin will, gonna retrace this particular level. And yep, then Bitcoin has to make a retracement. And the craziest part is Bitcoin showed a very great bull run in coming past 4 to 5 days. That was crazy. Now, how this thing has happened? I already told you about double 40-60 pattern, right? Like 40-60 patterns. I told you most of the time what are 40-60. These are also 40-60 pattern. You don't know, but these are again 40-60 pattern. Here, this is a very small horse. Actually, this is a very huge 460 pattern, which aim to be a long term, right? Let me just explain you 40-60 pattern again. That would, clear out your concept. Suppose this is your market two levels. Okay, market is running between just these kind of two levels, right? So when the market reached this level and market has to went up, right? So market made a sweep, right? It got down and it closes above the level and it again went up. Now the institution will try to, take down the price again to that same level and it came down to that same level and then pump. Let's try to understand much further in detail. At the first touch, the institution opt for 40% and second touch institution opt for 60%, and then the market pumped. Same thing happened over here. The institution, saw the market for a really long term, and market especially, this is your round number, 65K, and market actually retraced this particular round number. And this huge 40-60 pattern formation we can see. And this particular huge 40-60 pattern aims for a long-term vision. Okay. After that, we can clearly see another 40-60 pattern. This is your again 40-60 pattern. And then you got a market pump. On the day one, we were confused. Is that a liquidity hunt or something like that? Now it's clearly visible. That's a liquidity run. I already told you when the liquidity run, look at my previous video, like it's gonna come here, build some 40-60 pattern, and then it's gonna pump back. This is called as a liquidity run when there is a level over here, right? So this is called as 40-60 pattern and all such kind of concepts, right? Now, will the market retrace now? Yeah, market will gonna retrace now because market has already touched really big higher highs, right? If we, draw up a Fibonacci, right, from bottom to top, right? This is very important. So, well, I don't think so. This Fibonacci is useful. Yeah, this level and the Fibonacci is kind of like matching up to each other, right? If two levels are like, you know, you can say Fibonacci and if two levels are overlapping, then one major thing that's the strongest level. And you can see market actually retraced over here, the 40-60 pattern and pumped up again and gone to this region. And guys, let me be very clearly, Bitcoin will very less likely to break 40, this particular level. It's very unlikely that Bitcoin is going to break this particular level because there is a liquidity area, okay? If Bitcoin actually forms a reversal pattern, then Bitcoin is going to dump, or else Bitcoin will make a retracement and pump back again. So now let's come to the final conclusion, right? If Bitcoin, okay, if the Bitcoin forms a reversal pattern, it will dump or Bitcoin will retrace and pump back again. This is something which is very important. By the way, guys, one major thing, this is near to impossible that Bitcoin will keep on going, keep on hitting towards upward side only. This is a bump, and there has to be a run. Because you know about something, please understand decisions are made in bear market and profits are taken in bull market, right? Now the bull market, I think, was lasted over here only. And from this market, given you two conditions, right? First condition is Bitcoin will form a reversal pattern, then that will dump, or it will retrace and keep heading towards upward side, right? Every Sorry, guys. So everything is very clear, a crystal and clear, right? No doubts at all. We're talking about some other influencers like the Moon Group and also Sting. They're talking about the cup and handle pattern, and they're kind of like true. Like they're like analyzing the market and trying to convince this is a breakout. Now Bitcoin will go up. That's true. This can happen with the Bitcoin if we just take this thing right here and then we took this thing here, put this thing all the way here. That's very important because you put the market like that and you got a position of somewhere like 88K or something like that. Yeah, Bitcoin can go to that level. That's not at all false. Bitcoin can go to that level up to like 80K, something like that. We can say like it's positioning over 88K. Bitcoin can go over here, but make sure this is a bump and there will be a run soon. But one major thing, this 4060 pattern, this 4060 pattern, opt for a very long term vision. I think that's possible. Bitcoin can go that higher because one thing, a 4060 pattern has been built, which has a very long term vision. And I think market can keep heading towards upward side and Bitcoin can reach 88K. And for real, I would like to collaborate with these kind of, influencers to discuss furthermore in this particular concept, like what's going to be happening, right? So I might try approaching them, but I haven't approached them yet. Yeah, really. Yeah, because my videos are also getting too longer. So let's stop over here. That's it for today, guys. So actually, what? So I think this was like day five, I guess. Yep, day five of 100 days crypto trading channel, guys. Uh, okay. So, yeah. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my video. Please do consider subscribing to my channel, and please DM me if you have any kind of problem. Thank you. Bye bye.